Utilizing StackInsights with CabinetM. StackInsights provides CabinetM's enterprise customers with the ability to mine the back-end data that is the result of over 800 stacks that have been built on the platform. These are research-worthy stacks, which means that they are real stacks that end users have built. There are very few places where you can go to get true technology adoption data, and CabinetM is one of those places. What CabinetM allows organizations to do is mine data based on the tools that they use or the tools that they are considering. Let's say you are considering HubSpot's Marketing Hub. Of the 800 plus stacks on CabinetM, there are 82 stacks that include HubSpot Marketing Hub. You can get more granular and decide that you only want to look at them in the B2B environments. You could also look at the business size, you could check out the industry and put in what industry you're in, and you could also look at when they were created or updated. Then you can create a report based on this information. As an example, we'll show you a simple one looking at the top 50 products in the top 50 categories that we see in the CabinetM dataset when HubSpot Marketing Hub is there. But this could be any product that a user wants to look at. Now, here you can see all of the products that show up when HubSpot Marketing Hub is in a stack. These are in rank order, and it shows you how many times they're seen. You can also see all of the categories of products that exist when HubSpot Marketing Hub is there. But again, this could be done with any product that you want to look at. Check out what you can do with StackInsights today.